Hello my dears, welcome back to Let It Cook cooking channel. Today we have something summery, fresh, quick to make, and it will definitely keep in the fridge for 2 weeks. We're making a lemon dressing. For this, we need preserved lemons, mirin, vinegar, egg yolk, broth, and pepper. That's a mixture of olive oil and neutral oil, 1:1, dill, Dijon mustard, capers, sugar, and salt. Use a fresh egg yolk for the dressing, and it will keep in the fridge for definitely 10 days without issue, right? Just make sure it's a fresh egg yolk. Now let's get started. Now you can put everything into the blender, like the mirin, the vinegar, and the broth. Then the capers. We want to blend those well. Then a little bit of salt. Sorry, that was sugar. This is salt, the other way around. Now we add a small splash of this liquid here, the lemon water. There's a lot of flavor in it. The Dijon mustard. And the egg yolk. Then the lemon. I'm just going to cut it into slightly smaller pieces now. And now let it all mix together nicely. Thanks to Elisa, I have a new blender. Elisa, where are you? I miss you a lot. Leave a comment again sometime. I hope you're doing well. Thank you again so much for this great blender. I haven't heard from you in such a long time. Okay, once it's blended really nice and smooth so you don't see any more pieces of lemon or capers in there, then you can turn on the blender now. Unfortunately, it's loud. And slowly add this oil mixture, okay? I've already mixed the oil together. Why don't I just use olive oil? Because if you use olive oil in the dressing and only use olive oil, it can quickly give a slightly bitter taste, okay? That's too much. So especially if you're using a good olive oil, then use a little less olive oil and a bit more of the neutral oil. I've gone about half and half, maybe with a little more neutral oil in there, and now you just mix it in. Okay, and as the last step, the dill, I don't want to have it mixed in completely, I just want to have some pieces in there. That's why I'm chopping it more with the knife now. If you don't have dill, chives work great in the dressing too. You can use them just as well. Dill just has a bit more intense and unique flavor, I'd say. Now I'll add a bit of dill in there. Not too much because I don't want to lose that lemony flavor. Yeah, I don't want a dill dressing, I want a lemon dressing. I'll just mix it once now so it spreads out. I don't want the dill to get chopped up, yeah, like that. Okay, the dressing is done. That's it, super quick. Take a look, really nice consistency. You got a great texture now thanks to the egg yolk. The emulsion is wonderful, yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see which camera shows this to you best. This is really nice and creamy. Now let's give it a try. This is really something special. Try this at home. It tastes completely different from other dressings. Now I'll add this in here. That will probably be a bit too much now. We'll pour the rest on our salad soon. There. But here's the thing. There's a lot of olive oil in there. If you put it in the fridge and want to save it, you need to take it out about 2 hours before serving because olive oil tends to harden and then the dressing will be too thick. That means you should take it out a bit earlier, shake it up once, pour it over a nice leafy salad, maybe with some fruit in it, a bit of strawberry, add some tasty extras, put some goat cheese on top, a crispy one. That's an unbelievably great taste. It keeps well, yes, and it's quick to make. Enjoy your meal. Happy summertime. Enjoy it. See you next week on Let It Cook cooking channel. Bye. See you.